We're trying to be really bold and brave about the way that we use social and start to have a congruent message between our brands. So use our consumer brand and use that in a positive way, as well as build up our own employee value proposition internally and externally. You could find yourself having 5 generations in a business. So you could have X and Generation X and Y and millennials, and all of the things in which you use to attract those people are going to be completely different. And the way that you hold on to that talent is going to be really different. So I think the recession, coming out of recession, gives people more choice. So I think we're going to see attrition rates increasing. That's no bad thing. I think it's part of our balance of building talent pools and pipelines and starting to think about what are the events that we need to go to, where do we need to be speaking, where do we need to be posting, how do we use our careers website. So I think for us it's an evolution, and we're trying to really build that into our EVP going forward. But you could be at a recruitment event or at a conference any day of the week if you wanted to. It's being selective and making sure it's the right ones. And I don't think we found that yet, if I'm totally honest with you. The one thing that sticks in my mind is that for me, I've been at the business 2.5 years and I've had 5 years experience in 2. I've learned more in the 2.5 years that I've worked here at TalkTalk and had more responsibility, had more permission, had more trust, more accountability than I have in the last 20 years working for other big corporates. And actually, I think that that's a real selling point for us and why people should want to join us. Because if you want to work for a big company like BT or Sky or Virgin, then you probably don't want to work for us because we're much more pacey, we're more dynamic, we're more agile than those organisations. But if you want a company that's going to give you 5 experience in 2, then TalkTalk's the place for you.